Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today I want to show you a small sample for a work in progress we have been working on using Blazor and Azure Media Services, or actually Azure Video Indexer. Basically, it is a small two website uh, that you can, for example, check or list the videos that you have in a specified account, and you can navigate to them. So if you click them, it will click them. It will go to the to load the video on the widgets, the interactive widgets, so you can navigate through them. You can see all the insights. If you are actually a administrator, you will be able to actually modify some of these links too, and modify also the timeline, so you can edit anything you want. Most of the links in there. You can also use the select on the topics, on the keywords, on the labels, and you will see that when you change some of that, it will change in here. We will show you where those links are being talked or were found in the video somehow, either in text, or audio. For example, it's found a couple of entities, Norway. I found several brands. So you will see that, for example, here there may be some Twitter thing, and yeah. So that's what I want to show. What I wanted to show you. Also, I am working implementing a default small search on this site. So you can go also click and check all that. I still need to fix a lot of things about the display and figure out where to put the controls and everything. Probably I'm going to create a new search page which is going to receive the road information, and this will probably just redirect to that search and apply the search itself instead of doing it from the bar that is doing it at the moment instead of redirecting. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. That's a small sample. It's actually using, of course, it's using Azure Video Indexer. The site is a Blazor WebAssembly small website. Yeah. If you like the videos that we have in our channel, please like them, share them. Also, let us know what you would like to learn about Azure.NET Core and Unity3d. Thank you very much and have a great day.